How would you feel if you could craft a finely made chain by hand? How would it feel if you could make a variety of bracelets, necklaces, and neck chains from this elegant and supple chain? Hello, I'm Raible. I've been making this particular style of chain as a signature part of my jewelry collection for over 30 years. And over that time, I have developed many tips and tricks that I want to share with you inside this course. So when you join me in this online class, you will learn how to make consistent loop sizes quickly and efficiently for many different styles of chain. You'll learn how to set up a looping workstation, and you'll learn finishing techniques and much, much more so that your chains can be more professionally and masterfully made. Best of all, you only need basic jewelry making skills of using a torch for soldering and annealing and a bit of filing and buffing, and that's about it. You probably have most of the tools you will need already. And if you'd like a completed wearable chain when you're finished, we also offer a class in making a fairly simple but very beautiful shepherd's hook clasp. If you sign up for this class now, you will also be automatically enrolled in our Spiral Loop Chain Facebook group for 3 months. And I will be available to answer your questions and help guide you through the process of making these beautiful handmade chains. I hope to see you inside.